Okay, this is a message to all targeted individuals that have started contemplating becoming a religious order or man of the creator, if you like. This is basically a philosophical point of view. So I believe that all targeted individuals should aim to become a temple. Yeah, I'm someone who follows the teachings of Jesus Christ, but I'm not a Christian or a Muslim or a Jew. I'm not part of an organized thing, and I do respect all those religions, but I follow the teachings of Jesus Christ, but I wouldn't describe myself as a Christian. I'll call myself somebody who follows the teachings of Jesus Christ. Now, following the teachings of Jesus Christ, I've come to realize as a targeted individual that one of the things that we have to deal with as targeted individuals, if you do your research and you go on maybe YouTube and see all the videos on being a targeted individual, there's one common theme. We all believe that our minds are being monitored. Now, if our minds are being monitored, then we have to consider those people who are monitoring our minds. Now, like I said, I follow the teachings of Jesus Christ. So Christ is my guide when I'm considering that topic, because obviously, if we left it up to me, I'll be that's probably mental illness we're talking about there. So I use Christ guidance to keep me sane and to also make sure that I have applied the right judgment to situations. Now, when somebody is seeing into your mind, you have to ask yourself one thing. Are they seeing into your mind because they have a choice to do so, or because they don't have a choice? Now, when you're a targeted individual, you talk about random strangers being able to recite things that you did when you're indisposed in the privacy of your room or bathroom or whatever. But have you ever stopped to ask yourself, these people who are viewing you, do they have a choice? Are they choosing to view you, or is it something natural? Is there a natural reason? Is there a distortion in the magnetic field that causes some of our minds to become viewable and some of other people's minds to become able to view? Is it something natural that's happening here? Then if it is something natural, then obviously you, the subject matter, the one that's being viewed, in my point of view, as a follower of the teachings of Jesus Christ, I believe you need to set up a temple to provide consultation for people who are viewing in your mind, if it's a natural process and it's not something they're choosing to do. I've yet to conclusively I've yet to conclude my experiments. Let's just put it this way. I've yet to conclusively decide one way or another whether it is a choice they're making or if it's a natural process. That's how bad it is. So I've had to set up a temple, yeah, just in case it's a natural process, and I'll provide a consultation to see how we can wean them off our minds. You will actually do some counseling and find out the reasons why they choose to see into our minds, and we'll see if we can find an alternative to having to do that. Yeah, this is what therapy is about. So it's a way of providing therapy to those who view our minds. Yeah, if it is not a choice and it's something that God did. But if it's something that God did, what does that make you as a targeted individual? Yeah, this makes you one of the Creator's own, one of the chosen people. If that's the case, I'm not saying it is, but I just don't know. So to cover myself, I started a temple. If it isn't, then the temple will never go anywhere. If it is, that's what the temple is for.